So this is going to be a walkthrough of the student experience. So all the students that got enrolled into that class went through this process. um, the URL that we give them will direct them, or the course key, which they know how to use as well, most of them, will direct them right into your own page here. If they have an account, they would enter their username and password. If not, they would create an account and they would simply fill out this information to create an account. That would take them into this homepage right here. And this is where we have all of the different options. So students actually get the 2 weeks for free for access. So they have the time to figure out if they want MindTap on its own or if they want the bundle from the bookstore. So the access code automatically comes with the new book from the bookstore, which I believe is $80 for the new book. Again, comes with the access. To have the Cengage access code, they would say register code and they would be all done. That's from the bookstore. The other things that they have available, again, we can open the course. So this will be here for 2 weeks. So it says for 2 weeks they'll get that. But they actually have the ability to get into our subscription program for 2 weeks. So they see that you have a subscription for 2 weeks, which allows them to get into this course for 2 weeks. The subscription program is really popular at Cal Poly because there's a lot of Cengage products being used. So a lot of students access your course through that method. Um, that's why a lot of them were probably asking for the course because they have a subscription and that's the way they can do that. So they actually can explore Cengage Unlimited for 2 weeks. They want to go into the course again. They'll course that takes them right into the MindTap environment that I was just showing you, except in the student version, which is just the same thing minus the customization ability. Again, a register access code here. If we click here, they can decide that they want to buy Cengage Unlimited, which is the subscription, or buy MindTap for $50 on its own. So because the ebook is within it, many students that are not going to do the subscription will opt for this $5 to $50. So walk through the process, and then have the ability to see a different home screen here with class on it. Now, again, if they have multiple courses, tab, and toggle between courses right here, because there are a lot of students that have many Cengage courses. That would mean that they would have the Cengage subscription. But they can actually, like I said, view Cengage Unlimited for 2 weeks. So these are all Cengage Unlimited features where we have the College Success Center, Career Center. Anytime they purchase Cengage Unlimited and enter into a course, we offer them the print rental for $7.99 plus free shipping. They can also browse our catalog here. So they have access essentially to 22,000 of our ebooks, study tools, study guides, etc. They can search by author, name, title. We have camera books and all kinds of great books. So students have the ability to add as many books as they want, unlimited access to our entire catalog to their homepage here. I just clicked on my home now. So this is where, as they add books or as they add classes, those would all be right here. There's plenty of prompts for them to understand how this works. All these show that they're under a trial access, as you can see. So this is my account, so these trials have expired. So I'm not able to get into them. Like, for instance, if I click on this, I might not be able to get into this unless I pay for the course directly, or unless actually I'm able to get into that because I'm under I'm under the unlimited subscription. So at any rate, but if I go back to my courses tab and I click on your course here, it's always going to give me the same prompts of open the course for 2 weeks for free, explore Cengage Unlimited, register access page directly. So if you have any questions, let me know, but that should cover all of those purchase options for students, and we'll go from here.